One of my favorite quotes comes from Star Trek. The needs of the many outweigh the needs of the one. So what that means is you have to consider the bigger picture, the teamwork, considering all your teammates, but then you have your own personal responsibility that you have to deliver if you want that team to be successful. I was born an HMSA member. I'm still an HMSA member today, and I'm sure I will be throughout all my living days. HMSA's roots began more than 87 years ago with some social workers on the plantations who believed that they had to take care of their community. That is a powerful mission, and I feel like it's our obligation, our kuleana, to make sure we continue that now, even when our scope is so much bigger and encompasses the whole state of Hawaii. I was born and raised in Hawaii, went to Iolani School throughout my entire childhood, went away for college and medical school to Chicago, and then ran home after the winters back to Hawaii, where I practiced medicine, surgery for many, many years until I ended up at HMSA. For me, it's a passion to bring health to the people of Hawaii. As a surgeon, I did it for most of my young adulthood and into my middle ages, taking care of one person at a time. Now I'm in a position where I can actually influence the health of the entire state and directly to our 780,000 members. That is so meaningful to me. It's why I wake up every morning and feel motivated to go to work. I am always a sports fan. I became a basketball coach, eventually coaching the boys varsity basketball team at Iolani for 20 years. You make incredible relationships that last forever. But I think more importantly, it gave me a philosophy on life about how teamwork, responsibility for your role, caring about community over yourself are all important components of how you should live your life. HMSA has always had that first and foremost, that the center of what we're doing is the people that we serve. Over time, we've evolved, but at the core root is still caring for our members, making sure that health is delivered to the people of Hawaii. But it's definitely not HMSA alone. We need partnerships. We need other people who have the same mission, the same vision, the same goals as us to work together to make sure we all together collectively take care of the people of Hawaii. And that is other hospitals, physicians, pharmacies, anyone who's delivering care, we have to be partnered with them. Part of a health journey means being there at every component of somebody's life. For the good times, for the tough times, for lifetimes. That's the mantra we say at HMSA. We have to be there for people no matter what they're going through. We are a mission-driven organization populated by 1,400 employees dedicated to making sure the health of Hawaii gets enhanced. I'm so proud to work with them. We show up constantly when the time is called, striving after the same mission that happened 87 years ago. I'm Mugiishi, and this is my HMSA story.